Title 11, Crimes Against Chastity. First, Chapter 1, Adultery and Concubinage. Article 333 stated that who are guilty of adultery. Adultery is committed by any married woman who shall have sexual intercourse with a man, not her husband, and by the man who has carnal knowledge of her, knowing her to be married, even if the marriage be subsequently declared void. Adultery shall be punished by prison correctional in its medium and its maximum period. Next is Article 334, Concubinage. Any husband who shall keep a mistress in the conjugal dwelling or shall have sexual intercourse under scandalous circumstances with a woman who is not his wife or shall cohabit with her in any other place shall be punished by prison correctional in its minimum and medium period. Chapter 2, Rape and Act of Lasciviousness. Article 335, when and how rape is committed. Rape is committed by having carnal knowledge of a woman under any of the following circumstances. First, by using force intimidation. Second, by when the woman is deprived of the reason or otherwise unconscious. And 3, the woman is under 12 years of age, even though neither of the circumstances mentioned in the next preceding paragraph shall be present. Article 336, Act of Lasciviousness. Any person who shall commit any act of lasciviousness upon other persons or of either sex under any of circumstances when mentioned in the preceding article shall be punished by prison correctional. Chapter 3, Seduction, Corruption of Minors, and White Slave Trade. Article 337, Qualified Seduction. The seduction of a virgin over 12 years of under 18 years of age committed by any person in authority, priest, committed by any person in public authority, priest, home servant, domestic, guardian, teacher, or any person who in any capacity shall be entrusted with the education or custody of a woman seduced shall be punished by prison correctional in its minimum and medium period. Article 338, Simple Seduction. The seduction of a woman who is single, or widow of good reputation under 18 years of age, committed by means of deceit shall be punished by arresto mayor. Article 339, Act of Lasciviousness. With the consent of offended party, the penalty of arresto mayor shall be imposed to punish any other acts of lasciviousness committed by the same person in the same circumstances those provided in Article 337 and 338. Article 340, Corruption of Minors. Any person who shall promote or facilitate the prostitution or corruption of any person underage to satisfy the lust of another shall be punished by prison mayor. And culprit is a if the culprit is a public officer or employee, including those government-owned or controlled corporation, he shall be suffer penalty of temporary absolute disqualification. Article 341, white slave trade, the penalty of prison mayor in its medium and maximum period shall be imposed upon any person who in the or who in the who in the who in any manner of under pretext shall engage in business or shall profit by prostitution or shall enlist the services of any other for the purpose of prostitution. Chapter 4, forcibly Article 342, forcible abduction. The abduction of any woman against her will with lewd designs shall be punished by reclusion temporal. Reclusion temporal elements. Article 340, consented abduction. The abduction of a virgin over 12 years and under 18 years of age carried out with her consent and lewd designs shall be punished by the penalty of prison correctional in its minimum and medium period. Title 12, crimes against the civil status of person. Chapter 1, simulation of births and usurpation of civil status. Article 347, simulation of births, substitution of one's child for another, and concealment or abandonment of a legitimate child. The simulation of births and the substitution of one child for another shall be punished by prison mayor and a fine not exceeding 1,000 pesos. Article 348, usurpation of civil status. The penalty 348, usurpation of civil status. The penalty of prison mayor shall be imposed upon any person who shall usurp the civil status of another, should he do so for any purpose of defrauding the offended party of hers. Otherwise, the penalty of prison correctional in its medium and maximum period shall be imposed. Next is Chapter 2, the illegal marriage. Article 349, bigamy. The penalty of prison mayor shall be imposed upon any person who shall. Chapter 2, illegal marriage. Article 349, bigamy. The penalty of prison mayor shall be imposed upon any person who shall contract a second marriage or subsequent marriage before the former marriage has been legally dissolved or before the absent spouse has been declared presumptively dead by means of a judgment rendered in the proper proceeding. Article 350, marriage contracted against the provision of laws. The penalty of prison correctional in its medium and maximum period shall be imposed upon any person who, without being included in the provision of the next proceeding article shall not have not been complied with, or that marriage is disregard of a legal impediment.